explain it better this time. So there's a lot of speculation going around that I went on a date Saturday night, and I did. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did, but it does not mean that I am dating that person. I'm still single. I think it is okay for me to go out with a guy, have a nice dinner, get a free freaking meal at a nice place, and just have a good night with someone that I met and I'm friends with, and just, yeah. So, I think that is 100% okay for me to do, and it doesn't matter how old he is, okay? Because it's about the quality of a person, not the age.
I'm thinking that Veronica is probably the shakiest and nervous out of the girls. So this is good for us. Here we go, here we go. What? Aaron, focus. Don't give up on it until, yeah, now we got put on top, Okay, nobody touch it. Oh. Okay.
So, because of the shenanigans that went down, was it 2 nights ago? And this one, we're gonna run it back. We're gonna run it back now. Me and Lana versus these two.
You lost last time.
No. Bet you guys $10 right now that she is not.
Recording on, food.
This is on my Snap or Insta.
How does it go for so long?
Cause what? How's she doing that?
Yes.
Focus.
Who got
I'm just a pheasant, boy.
Let's do her husband. Alright, okay. Let's get 5 options of dudes. Make them good options, please. Oh, ooh. There's so many that are good. Okay, I mean, I see a Kian. Let's do a Kian. Okay, we've got Kian. I see a lot of Aaron. Stop! I see. No! No! I see Sean and... Okay, wait. We need 2 more. Should I put 1 more name down? Maybe we'll do 6. And well, you gotta clarify who. Oh, Aaron. There's a couple Aarons in social media. Aaron, Aaron, you tell them. No! Not my ex, Aaron, that's for sure. We know which Aaron. Perfect! Moving on. We need 1.
There goes the same from my soul.